Parents of a 14-year-old who hanged himself inside a state juvenile detention center are threatening a multi-million-dollar lawsuit against the state. New at 6, Channel 2 investigative reporter Richard Belcher broke this story of suicide, and he talked with the family's attorney today.
Yeah, Justin, we're live at Juvenile Justice Headquarters in DeKalb County. It was evident very soon after the suicide last April of Jamaria Davidson that there'd been a catastrophic breakdown of the management at the Metro RYDC in DeKalb County. Davidson's family is demanding substantial compensation and a full accounting from juvenile justice.
I think the most surprising thing is the level of systemic failure in this facility, because it wasn't just one person who made one mistake.
The facility is Metro RYDC, just off Moreland Avenue in southeast Atlanta, one of a network of detention centers operated by the Department of Juvenile Justice. We now know that when Jamaria Davidson hanged himself with his jumpsuit last April, Metro was badly understaffed.
There's the fact that they only had 18 people on staff when their policy required 30. And then there's the fact that we now know that the policy should have been 39, not 30.
Atlanta attorney Eric Fredrickson has put the Department of Juvenile Justice on notice that each of the dead youth's parents will be suing the state for $1 million. Since the warning letter to the state, the Department of Juvenile Justice has released its own internal report about what happened here on Palm Sunday, and it does nothing to undercut the family's claim of incompetence or worse. The report includes this about now fired correctional officer Adrian Cooper. Another detainee repeatedly reported to Officer Cooper that Davidson was attempting to commit self-harm, and Officer Cooper neglected to go to the cell and verify Davidson's status. And this about Koana Wires, a nurse who was fired.
She arrived without her emergency supplies. She didn't perform CPR. She didn't use the defibrillator, and she allowed the other staff to stop performing CPR, which is all against their policies and against, frankly, common sense.
The Department of Juvenile Justice has really declined any substantive comment other than to tell us in a statement that the actions it took after the suicide and after its investigation were appropriate. The department fired 2 people, the nurse and 1 guard, and demoted 2 others. 8 others were cited for misconduct. Live at Juvenile Justice Headquarters in DeKalb County, Richard Belcher, Channel 2 Action News.